In a recent turn of events, a US-owned container vessel was struck by an anti-ship ballistic missile off the coast of Yemen. This unexpected incident has drawn the world's attention towards the ever-tense geopolitical climate in the region. While the details are still emerging, it's clear that this event marks a significant escalation in conflict. The vessel, currently unidentified, was navigating international waters when it was targeted. The potential implications of this attack are far-reaching, and the world watches with bated breath as investigations unfold. This is a stark reminder of the unseen perils that loom in the vast expanses of our oceans. As we navigate our way through these turbulent seas, stay tuned for more updates.